new package has arrived. I guess it must be an eyepiece inside, so I'm going to open and see. Let's see what is inside. Oh, nice packaging. Very nice packaging actually. Another sort of a bubble wrap. And this is the what is inside. Oh yeah, also this 2020 guide to the night sky was here. I'll put it aside. It's Helios. Helios is practically the same as the OVL, optical vision, the limited, and the Skywatcher. Myriad MWA 3.5mm. MWA I think it stands for mega wide angle. 110 degrees eyepiece, 1.25 inch to 2 inch. And the package looks very nice, quite have a weight. And let's see how it opens. Nicely comes out. Oh, I like this when this really is easy to remove. Better than EPM one. Now, what is here? We have a cleaning cloth. We have a cover caps, just for the 1.5 inch end, like the one that APM has. And this is the most important part. Nice premium packaging. Look at the shape of it. So I'm going to open it now. That's the eyepiece. There's a quite chunk in it. Let me remove the cap and have a look. But before that, let's see. Myriad trademark mega wide angle MWA 3.5mm 110 degrees actual field of view, fully multi-coated FMC. It's quite feel robust, must be around 800 grams or so. Nice built lens cap, quite large, must be around 2.5 inch. That's the eye lens. Nice coating, kind of something between green and red. I suppose. Oh, so nicely comes out. Can be slight. And let's turn off this side also. That's a 2-inch attachment, of course, attached yet. Oh, nice lens here. So comfortable to rise up. It reminds me of my View eyepiece. It exactly has the same build of the eye cup. So, oh, so nice. And the best way to test it is just use the telescope in the daylight. It's of course day. And I'm going to test it now. This is the Myriad 3.5mm eyepiece. And this is the Skywatcher ED 80mm telescope. It's apochromatic or semi-apo, and we are ready now to look at a daylight view and test the eyepiece. So now let's look through the eyepiece. Of course, this is a 3.5mm eyepiece, very high power, and yet you can see the clarity, the brightness of the image is excellent. I don't see much color fringing, just a few here and there. It can be due to the telescope actually, more than the eyepiece itself, or the contribution of both. But the view is excellent, sharp. It goes out of focus and in focus because the target is moving in the wind. So that's completely understandable. The image quality is excellent, I can say that. 3.5mm. And that was the beautiful view that you saw.